my name is Richard. I'm from Brazil, but I live in Paris. And today I'm here in Turkey for being a doctor, and tomorrow I'll be doing a BBL. It was really good and fast, and the food was delicious. It was on Instagram. I was searching for a surgery here in Turkey, and I found so many doctors and clinics. I talked to them. Some of them were good, but they were not available. But when I found Trial Clinic, they were so kind, so kind. You guys are so kind. And then you made my mind. And then I'm so happy to be here. And now I'm going to meet the doctor to talk about my surgery and meet the other people from the team. Çoban Bina. Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you want to hear this after your surgery?
I can.
Turkey coffee.
This is wrong, where's the booze?
It was really interesting. The doctor was very, very kind. He answered to all my questions. I was really surprised. Everyone was really kind. What can I say more? I'm excited for tomorrow. I was afraid. I'm on a roller coaster. I'm afraid sometimes and calm and excited. But today, after talking to the doctor, I feel confident. And I know that everything will be correct tomorrow. Everything will be right.
This is 90s or 80s.
The team is very kind. Everyone is so gentle, so kind. I didn't feel like a client. I felt like someone special. They came for something special. And I feel good. Ah, the Turkish coffee. Turkey kahvesi. It was really strong. It's different but delicious. It's like coffee and chocolate mixed. And it was really, really good to read my future after. Turkish tradition. Totally. Because some doctors explain so quick, so fast, they're in a hurry, don't know why, maybe they have like 10 patients per day, I don't know. But Dr. Orman was so kind and explained everything with a smile, so I can trust him and know he can do the best job, and I'm confident. And I'm very impatient for tomorrow, can't wait. I don't know if I'll sleep tonight. See you tomorrow.
Hello, good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning everyone, this is Richard again. So yesterday I went to the hotel. It was amazing, really amazing. The hotel was beautiful, comfortable, and then I wanted to eat something Turkish. I ate a delicious kebab. It was really delicious, and I think I ate too much. But I was not allowed to eat after midnight. I woke up this morning, and they came to take me to the hospital. I'm already in the hospital. The doctor came to see me. He did some marks. I'm really excited. I'm calm. I'm waiting. And the hospital is really beautiful too. It's big and I have a beautiful view. And these beautiful people are taking care of me. Sure.
Hey. Bom dia.
Bom dia.
So I'm happy and confident. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this for so long. Let's get started.
Her şey güzel gidiyor. İnşallah güzel bir sonuç elde edeceğiz.
Hello, here I am, back from the surgery, feeling perfect. I just walked, I can do everything by my own. I just had my shower by my own today. The hospital was perfect, the nurses was so kind. I was so happy to do this with trial clinic, and my results were wow. When I saw it in the mirror, I couldn't believe it. I already took some pictures, sent to my friends, sent to my family. They're crazy, some of them want to do the same right after, and I'm very happy. And yeah, I've been in some hospitals sometimes and was never treated this good as I'm here. I was afraid because doing this surgery may be difficult and stressing, but I was treated so well for everyone. Everyone here is so kind that my experience was so much easier than it could be elsewhere. When I talk to people that do this surgery in Turkey, they was, why in Turkey do it here? Because I live in France actually. But I saw so many doctors and contacted so many clinics, but with trial clinic I feel at ease. I feel comfortable to do it, and I don't have regrets. Everyone is so kind, and I even learned Turkish. Görüşürüz.
Çağdaş Orman.
I miss you really.
Yeah, people too. Bom dia!
Everything was so perfect. I'm so happy with this new body, thanks to this great team.